Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Brcstarter token. Ticker symbol is BRCST, and this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 8th at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Gate. Now, we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token because Gate is not available in everybody's area. So, on March 8th, if you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on gate.io on your PC. Then you would, open your account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on March 8th and search their ticker symbol BRCST, and then simply just buy the token. Or this is a BEP20 token, so most likely around the same time it gets listed on Gate. I don't see the announcement on it yet, but it will be listed around the same time on Pancakeswap since it's a Binance Smart Chain token. You'll be able to fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and then trade your BSC for the BRCST token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Brcstarter.io. Now, on their webpage, they have document section, they have all sorts of socials, Twitter, Telegram, Medium articles, roadmap. They have their own application there that you could use. According to their BSC scan, max total supply is 21 million tokens, 18 decimal places, and it says 2 holders, so they're not available anywhere yet. This is a brand new project here. So Brcstarter is one of the first BRC20 focused launch pads, aiming to accelerate the adoption of BRC20 projects within the crypto industry. We are committed to contributing to the future trajectory of BRC20 tokens by providing an app that enables projects to establish a thriving ecosystem for their activities. Brcstarter also aims in a second phase to launch projects built on other blockchains as well. So how the token is split up, 20% of the tokens go to private sale, 33.3% public sale, 13.57% go to community rewards, 10% liquidity and central exchanges. We got 12% going to the team, 16.78% going to marketing and legal, 5% advisors, and 10.84% development and production. Now, on their webpage, you can find a document section that will take you over to, let's see here, brcstarter.gitbook.io. So it says, as the pioneer in blockchain and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin set the stage for subsequent innovations such as NFTs, smart contracts, and tokenization. Brcstarter is committed to contributing to the future trajectory of the BRC20 tokens by providing an app that enables projects to establish a thriving ecosystem for their activities. Now, the token here, it says on their document section, BRCST tokens are set to debut on the Binance Smart Chain initially, with plans for a soon-to-follow cross-chain integration, encompassing both BSC and BRC20 networks. Presently, the BRC20 protocol faces limitations related to liquidity and smart contract development. Leveraging the BSC network, BRCST finds ample liquidity, enabling Brcstarter to not only facilitate staking but also introduce farming options and app access. So some of the BRCST utilities: you can earn allocation for initial DEX offerings. Only holders and or stakers of BRST will have an opportunity to separately participate, also always as an optional or explicit choice in the Launchpad's fostered projects IDO token allocations. Also yield farming, so BRCST holders will be able to stake or lock their tokens, thus contributing to its potential value stability, and be rewarded for this specific and active action with extra tokens, and compensation for the temporary loss of trading liquidation options during the staking period. Also governance, so BRCST holders and or stakers will be able to participate in certain platform governance decisions in terms of specific parameters, settings, and options in relation to different fostered project IDOs. For the avoidance of doubt, any such governance will be exclusively limited to such type of activity and will never involve or grant any voting or decision powers to any legal entity of any kind, even if directly or indirectly connected to the Launchpad platform. Now, their roadmap on here, they're starting with development of the platform. Then they move on to phase 1 of this year is private sale, contract audit, the mainnet for Brcstarter app, IDO and listing phase. Then phase 2 is going to be tier announcement, yield farming. Then they're going to come out with the BSC BRC20 cross-chain, and then the multi-chain deployment. And then phase 3 is going to be the incubator program launch and strategic partnerships. So they also have token sale and vesting information on their document section if you want to learn about that. They have backers and partners, benefits for users, their business models, benefits for projects, what problems they solve, market analysis, and abstract. And yeah, you can find their Telegram at BRCStarter Community, their Twitter in the corner of the screen there, and you can also read some Medium articles. So go check all that out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.